Coding and Programming Crash Course, JavaScript. Introduction. JavaScript is a powerful and versatile programming language that brings interactivity and dynamic functionality to websites. In this crash course, we'll provide an overview of JavaScript, its importance in web development, and how it enhances user experiences on the web. Stories and examples. Before we delve into the technical aspects of JavaScript, let's explore some interesting stories and examples that highlight its significance in the world of programming and web development. 1. The birth of interactive web pages. JavaScript revolutionized the web by enabling the creation of interactive web pages. It allowed developers to incorporate dynamic elements such as image sliders, form validations, and real-time updates. JavaScript transforms static websites into immersive user experiences. 2. The rise of web applications. JavaScript played a vital role in the rise of web applications. It provided the means to build sophisticated and feature-rich applications that could run entirely in the browser. From social media platforms to productivity tools, JavaScript-powered web apps have become an integral part of our daily lives. 3. The era of single-page applications. With the advent of frameworks like Angular, React, and Vue.js, JavaScript became the foundation for building single-page applications, SPAs. SPAs offer seamless navigation and a desktop-like user experience, as content is dynamically loaded without page refreshes. JavaScript frameworks simplify the development of SPAs and enhance productivity. These stories demonstrate the transformative power of JavaScript in web development. With JavaScript, you can create engaging and interactive web experiences that captivate users and deliver dynamic functionality. Top 12 Popular JavaScript Syntax. Now, let's explore the top 12 popular JavaScript syntax elements that are essential for programming with JavaScript. These syntax elements enable you to manipulate the behavior of web pages, handle events, and interact with HTML elements. 1. Variables and data types. Variables store values, and JavaScript supports various data types such as strings, numbers, booleans, arrays, and objects. 2. Conditional statements. Conditional statements, like if-else and switch, allow you to perform different actions based on specific conditions. 3. Loops. Loops, such as for, while, and do while, enable you to repeat blocks of code until a specific condition is met. 4. Functions. Functions are reusable blocks of code that perform specific tasks. They allow you to organize your code and make it more modular. 5. Objects and properties. JavaScript is an object-oriented language, and objects allow you to store and manipulate collections of related data and functions. 6. Arrays. Arrays store multiple values in a single variable. You can access and manipulate array elements using indexes. 7. Events. JavaScript provides event handling capabilities, allowing you to respond to user interactions, such as clicks, mouse movements, and keyboard inputs. 8. DOM manipulation. The Document Object Model, DOM, allows JavaScript to access and modify HTML elements on a web page dynamically. 9. Error handling. JavaScript provides mechanisms, such as try-catch, to handle and manage errors in your code. 10. AJAX. Asynchronous JavaScript and XML, AJAX, enable you to send and receive data from a server asynchronously, without refreshing the entire page. 11. JSON. JavaScript Object Notation, JSON, is a lightweight data interchange format commonly used for storing and transmitting data. 12. Modules and libraries. JavaScript supports the use of modules and libraries, allowing you to import and use pre-written code to enhance functionality and productivity. Summarization. In this crash course, we explored the fundamentals of JavaScript and its role in web development. We discussed its significance in creating interactive web pages and web applications, and we shared stories and examples that highlight its transformative impact. JavaScript syntax elements such as variables, Conditional statements, loops, functions, and DOM manipulation provide you with the tools to create dynamic and engaging web experiences. Additionally, we discuss the importance of error handling, AJAX, JSON, and the use of modules and libraries to enhance productivity and functionality. JavaScript empowers developers to bring their creative visions to life, build powerful web applications, and deliver immersive user experiences. Poem. In the realm of code, JavaScript we write, bringing interactivity with all our might. From dynamic pages to web applications grand, JavaScript empowers with a wave of its hand. Variables store values, data types galore. Strings, numbers, arrays, and objects to explore. Conditional statements, if else they play. Looping through tasks, again and again, we sway. Functions, reusable blocks, tasks they perform. Organizing code, making it the norm. Events fire, user interactions they capture. Clicks, mouse movements, we code with rapture. DOM manipulation, elements at our command. Modifying HTML with JavaScript's grandstand. Error handling, try-catch they entwine. Keeping our code robust, error-free, and fine. AJAX, asynchronous, data we fetch. No page refresh, it's a seamless stretch. JSON, lightweight, data format concise. Storing and transmitting with ease, so precise. Modules and libraries, pre-written code. Enhancing functionality, lightening the load. JavaScript, the language, so versatile and vast. Building the web, a digital blast. Song. Verse 1. In the world of web, a language thrives. JavaScript, the magic that comes alive. Interactive pages, dynamic flair. With JavaScript, we create, we dare. Chorus. JavaScript, oh, the code we write. Bringing websites to life, oh, so bright. Variables, functions, loops, and more. JavaScript, the language we adore. Verse 2. Conditional statements, if else in play. Loops that repeat, tasks in array. Events fire, with users command. JavaScript response, a webmaster's stand. Chorus. JavaScript, oh, the code we write. Bringing websites to life, oh, so bright. Variables, functions, loops, and more. JavaScript, the language we adore. Bridge. DOM manipulation, elements at hand. AJAX and JSON, a dynamic band. Modules and libraries, productivity grows. JavaScript empowers, our creativity flows. Chorus. JavaScript, oh, the code we write. Bringing websites to life, oh, so bright. Variables, functions, loops, and more. JavaScript, the language we adore. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our Booking.com referral link, https://www.booking.com/index.html. 8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for kind support our AnHub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.